Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your phone number to the SHEIN app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, and you won't want to miss that. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, let's open the SHEIN app, and here it opens up in the shop menu usually, but we have to go into the me menu, tap on this, and we go into the settings, this little gear on the top right corner, tap on manage my account, and here on the top of the list, if we tap on phone number, actually we can add our phone number to the app. Why would you want to do that? Well, you can log in with your phone number after adding it to your account, and this actually makes communication with about orders pretty much easier. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful. See you in the next one. Bye.